Lockout Tagout, or LOTO, is the process that isolates the energy source of machines and equipment while the machines are being repaired, serviced, or replaced. Lockout, or locking out, means to physically lock machinery or equipment to avoid the release of hazardous energy. Lockout isolates the power source from the working components of the machine. In the rare instance where a machine may not be able to be locked out, tagout is used alone, and additional safety methods may be put in place as dictated by the facility. A gantry crane is an example of a machine that cannot be locked out. LOTO procedures are required to isolate the power source from the machine. Power sources include electrical, mechanical, chemical, hydraulic, pneumatic, thermal, and gravitational. The danger zone can be an internal area of the machine that contains moving parts that would make servicing and repair dangerous to the employee. It can also be any place on or within the machine where an employee might directly encounter the hazard of the energy source. Servicing in a danger zone requires that the safety guard, which blocks access to the energy source and moving parts, be removed to perform repairs. Understanding LOTO is important because applying the process can have the following benefits: saving lives and preventing injury, reducing workers' compensation claims, lowering medical costs, limiting insurance costs, limiting legal fees, avoiding time lost due to employee injury, keeping companies in compliance with the law, and implementing a manufacturing best practice.